Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. We all know how frustrating blood blisters can be. They're painful, unsightly, and you want them gone, like yesterday, right? So today, we're tackling the problem head-on and showing you step by step how to get rid of a blood blister safely. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Assess the situation. First things first, take a good look at your blister. Is it really a blood blister? Blood blisters are generally red, purplish, or even black and filled with blood. They commonly occur from pinching or impact injuries. Step 2. Clean the area. Gently wash the area around the blood blister with warm water and antibacterial soap. This is basic hygiene and helps in preventing an infection down the line. Step 3. Apply cold compress. Grab an ice pack or a cold compress and apply it to the blister for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to reduce swelling and numbs the pain a bit. The Mayo Clinic actually recommends this for initial treatment, and it's a well-trusted source, so we know we're on the right track here. Step 4. Elevate the affected area. If possible, elevate the affected area above heart level to minimize swelling. Step 5. Keep it covered. Once the area is clean and cold, it's time to cover it up. Use a sterile gauze and an adhesive bandage to protect the blister. This keeps it from popping prematurely, which could lead to infection. Step 6. Apply antibacterial ointment. Gently apply an over-the-counter ointment like Neosporin on the gauze before placing it over the blister. This will help prevent bacterial infection. Step 7. Keep an eye on it. For the next few days, you'll want to keep an eye on the blister. Make sure it's not getting infected. Signs of infection might include increased redness, pus, or increased pain. Step 8. When to drain the blister. Now, in some cases, you might need to drain the blister. This should be your last resort and should be done carefully. WebMD and other medical sites suggest that you should generally let a healthcare professional do this. But if you have to do it yourself, make sure to sterilize a needle with hydrogen peroxide, gently puncture the edge of the blister, and then cover it back up with sterile gauze and antibacterial ointment. There you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to getting rid of that pesky blood blister. Please remember, if your blister shows signs of infection, or if it's particularly large or painful, consult a healthcare professional. Safety first. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with anyone who might need this info, and leave a comment to let me know how these tips worked for you. Until next time, take care.